we are now moving on to frequency tables. So if you guys remember anything about just what a two-way table is a two-way table is where you have some data and you try to arrange it in a way where we can look at percentages. And generally speaking, one side of the table is going to have to deal with like a population, like the population you're working with and how that's broken up. And then the other side of the table is going to have to deal with like a skill or something that they do or a preference they have or something like that. So in this one, we have 71 students all together. So grades 1 through 3, there are 71 total students, and they are asking them, can you swim? So the possible answers are yes or no. I can swim or I can't swim. I cannot swim. And so the results they got is 13 students in first grade, 15 in second, and 16 in third can swim. So if you look at where the column for can swim is, it's broken up into first, second, and third grade. So all you got to do is just take these numbers and put them where they go. So 13 students first grade can swim. Great, let's put that right there. 15 students in second grade can swim. So I would go 15 and put that there. 16 students in third grade can swim. So go to your third grade, line it up with your can swims, and put your 16 in. And then on this lower line here, 9 students in first grade, 12 in second, and 6 students in third grade cannot swim. They can't swim. So 9 in first grade cannot swim. So my cannot swim column's right there. First grade's right here. Go where they meet, put that number in. 12 students in second grade cannot swim. So here's my second grade, and it meets the cannot swim right here. That's where the 12's going to go. And then my 6 students in third grade cannot swim. So third grade meets the cannot swim right here. And then put that in. So it's battleship, right? And if you did this right, you should have 71 students all together. So if I add these up, I go 13 plus 9 is 22. So 22 plus 15 is 37. 37 plus 12 is 49. 49 plus 16 gives me 65, and 65 plus 6 is 71. So this should be right. Look at that. Are we fabulous or what? Well, let's do another one. Okay, now we got 43 total students. Each one of them was asked, do you prefer fiction books or nonfiction books? So one of my headings is going to be like fiction or nonfiction, right? So that looks like that's what they're doing with the side here. And it looks like they break the students up into boys and girls, all right? So you got your whole population split up into boys and girls, and then their preferences is down here, all right? Now, it doesn't matter if they had girls and boys here and then fiction, nonfiction running across the top. Either way, it'll give you the same thing, okay? So among the girls, so here's where my girls go, 9 fiction, 15 nonfiction. So girls fiction meets right here. So that would be my 9. And then girls in nonfiction meets right below it. And that would be the 15 that chose nonfiction. Same thing with the boys. Boys fiction meets right here. And that gets an 8. And then you have 11 left of the boys, which meets nonfiction right here. That meets right there. Now we would check. And as you can see, these are pretty straightforward, not too difficult. Remember, if you have any questions about this as you're going through, and then maybe the video isn't helping, you can always have it do an explanation of the problem you're stuck on. Just know that you'll need to do a different one in order to get credit for doing it. All right?